Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200-plus page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. Here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff that doesn't really matter, or that you probably don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for G-Adventures right now, and a few things about each that actually matter so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my entire research doc for free and read it all year long. Seriously, no joke. Alright, let's jump right into it. Top 3 VPN services for G-Adventures and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for G-Adventures. Why? It works seamlessly while you're on the road. That's super important for a reliable connection when you're traveling. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds, even across international servers. Features, it's loaded with features. Kill switch to keep you safe if the connection drops. MeshNet to connect multiple devices securely. Antivirus and leak protection for extra peace of mind while you explore new places. You name it, it's got it. Pricing and support, it's cheap for what it offers, and support is top-notch. Super helpful when you're troubleshooting on the go. Do they keep logs? Nope, no logs, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there, so your data stays safe wherever you are. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty affordable. Perfect for G-Adventures travelers who need consistent protection and speed. Negatives, 10 device limit. Second best VPN for G-Adventures is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance and reliability. Great for hopping from Wi-Fi and cafes to airports and hotels. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No lag spikes, no packet loss. Just a smooth online experience, whether you're checking maps or streaming after a long day. Features, all the essentials for travelers, plus a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome for routing only certain apps through the VPN and saving bandwidth on the rest. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there, often cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful, which you'll appreciate abroad. Do they keep logs? No, they've got an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption, top-notch AES 256 encryption. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which might make privacy geeks nervous. Plus, the server network is smaller than the others. Overall, clean, fast, and secure. A set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for travelers who want simple, high-speed protection without any hassle. Third best for G-Adventures is Private Internet Access, that's PIA. Why? It's got a huge server network and is the most customizable on this list. Great if you like tweaking your connection depending on your travel spots. Speed, very good. And thanks to that massive server network, you can always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby to keep streaming and browsing smooth worldwide. Features, it's packed. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and tons of customization options to optimize for any travel setup. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option here. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? No. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, best tech available and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't as sleek as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best choice if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN for G-Adventures with a massive network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for G-Adventures: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine, because they all work perfectly for travelers on G-Adventures. Quick recap to wrap this up, if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for G-Adventures, the premium experience with the most features and fastest speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that offers incredible value for what you pay while traveling. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN for G-Adventures with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've put my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can snag the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.